This puzzle may be easy to fit a few of the pieces into the box, but once you try fit that final piece into the box, you'll have issues with this piece sticking outside of the frame, and you can see there are bumps inside of there that are locking those pieces out, and you'll have to fit all of the knobs into the holes to get all these pieces into the box. This puzzle also has 3 different solutions you can do with it. You can fill the box, you can form a 4x4 square with none of the pieces sticking out, or you can build a 6 cubes with none of the pieces sticking outside of the shape. This is the Akawe XS puzzle, and there are 3 different challenges to it, and they each have their own different difficulty levels. To get the Akawe puzzle for yourself, go click that link in the description. So in order to fit all these pieces inside of the box, we have to kind of sit them outside and try build a shape that'll fit inside of the box, leaving none of these holes on the outside of the cube. So if we place those pieces like that, so far there's no holes on the outside of the cube. And then if we take like another piece, unfortunately we can't fit these 2 together. And again, this is going to sit in a weird spot. We're going to have one piece sticking out. If we place this piece here, there's going to be another knob sticking out. Unfortunately, we just don't have another piece that can fit together with these. So to build the 4x4 cube, we're going to take these 4 pieces, but as you can see, they're not fitting together perfectly like that. Instead, we're going to stick the B into the A. Then we're going to take the C and stick it into the D, and finally stick these 2 pieces together to build that first shape. Now to build the 6-piece shape, we have to add on 2 more pieces. Start off with C in this corner, then we can take A and place it on top of there. Next, we can take F and interlock it together with A. Next, take E and interlock it together with F. Then we'll take B and interlock it together with C. And finally, if we take this piece, we can place it here, but we can't get these pieces together. We actually have to remove these 2 top pieces and now place them on top. And if we just try take these 2 pieces and put them together to fit it into the box, we unfortunately have one piece sticking out and it won't go inside of the box. So if we take piece B and place E, we can put them together like this. Then we can place piece H next to that. Then we're going to take A and leave the hole facing up and interlock it together with H. Now these 2 pieces are not interlocked together just yet, but we can take the C and place it on top of here. Next, we can take F, but we have to interlock it together with both of those pieces. Now take G and place it in over here. And lastly, take this piece and interlock it together, and finally drop the cube into the box. To see other cool puzzle solves like this, click this video right here.